Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the last day of online learning. Looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. Just a couple of reminders. So if you took any books home over this period, can you please bring them back to school, and also your stationery and your laptops or whatever device you use need to come back fully charged. So today is actually a teachers only day because we have some stuff to prepare for Monday. So we have just a bit of a fun day today really. Writing. So if you haven't already finished your writing task from yesterday, you can finish that and then just put on the slide there. There's actually an example of the poem on the slide here, on the second slide. So if you go in, you'll see that just there from a previous student. And then reading for today, just reading a book on Epic, but be prepared to talk about the book next week using this as a guideline here, the talking strip, okay? And then maths, you can just go on Matific, or there's the link to these games here. And then you just have a slot to finish off any work you may not have finished in the rest of the week. And then there's some handwriting, which is just the rest of, or some more of In Dreams there that you can write out. Oh. And then after that, you can do your spelling test and some fitness. So there's basically no new work today. It's just a bunch of finishing off. And yeah, so looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. Have a good day, everyone. See ya.